Hi, everyone. In this lecture, we are going to study about the guttation as well as the difference between guttation and transpiration process. So let, let's start the video. What is guttation? Loss of water in the form of droplets that is called as guttation, whereas the loss of water in the form of water vapor and that process is called as transpiration. And transpiration occurs mainly through stomata. It is uh, it is also called as stomata are the minor couplings or the pores which are present on the gills. Okay, so it also helps in the stomata. Not only helps in transpiration, but it also helps in the exchange of gases, uh, like for the process of respiration also uh, helps. Okay. Hydrocarbons are also called as stomata, and they are present in the tip of the margins of the leaf. They usually grow in moist, shady places. Okay? Whereas stomata, as I mentioned, that is present in the epidermis of the leaves and in any stem. Okay. We have also discussed the structure of the stomata, wherein stomatal aperture is guarded by two guard cells. Whereas the aperture of the hydatoid, this is the hydatoid, it is also called as a water stomata. And as you can see, this is the substomatal chamber and it has vascular endings. And this is the vascular tissue of leaf. And this is called as leaf epithelium. And this mass of cells which are present here, this is called as epithel. So transpiration takes place where of the stomata. Stomata has stomatal aperture and guard cells, and guard cells are surrounded by subsidiary cells. Okay, the two guard cells are generally surrounded by the subsidiary cells. Opening and the closing to the stomatal aperture is regulated by the guard cells. This we have discussed in the previous lecture itself. And it also helps in transpiration as well as the exchange of gases. Whereas hydrotopes or water stomata, they are present on the margin or the tip of the leaves, as you can see here. This is a guttation process wherein loss of water takes place in the form of water droplets, or we can define this process as exudation of water and minerals in the form of droplets. Okay. So here there are no subsidiary cells, as you can see. This is a hydrothoid structure, and we don't find these kind of structures here. So subsidiary cells are absent. Hydrothoid pores remains always open. Okay, whereas stomatal opening and closing are uh, it is regulated by guard cells, so it is not always open. So these are involved in the guttation process, whereas okay, let's see some more differences between the stomata and hydrothoids. Here, this is very important. A loss of water takes place in the form of vapor, and here it is liquid. And uh, so transpiration occurs during the daytime, whereas guttation process occurs during night or early morning. Okay, here we can find interstellar air spaces, but in case of uh, water stomata, it is connected to the xylem vessels. Okay. So that's it, friends. And what are the examples for this? Most terrestrial plants shows transpiration, whereas hydrothoids, uh, we can see gradation in grasses, colocasia, and tomato plants. Okay, both in monocots and dicots. Matter belongs to a certain SE member, so you can find a guttation in both monocots as well as in dicots. Okay. So next, try to solve these questions. If you have any doubts, please write me in the comment box section. My voice is clearly audible to you people, then please let me know. So these are some of the important MCQs that I have listed. Let's go through one by one and try to solve it. One more thing, guttation process occurs when there is a low rate of transpiration. Okay. So if somebody asks how you can define epithem, then you should tell them as like they are loosely arranged parenchyma cells, uh, which helps in water as well as in mineral transport. It also helps in that's it for the lecture. And if you have any doubts, please comment me in the comment box section. In the next lecture, we will be discussing on mineral nutrition. So please subscribe to my channel if you have understood the lecture. Then do it. Then please don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to like the. But please subscribe to my channel and meet you in the next lecture. Till then, take care. Bye bye.